see anything. Check the front yard. Get the picnic bench. It's almost buried. What?
Are you recording stuff?
Yeah. Good freaking morning, tubes. It's about 7:50 in the morning. It's absolutely freezing in my room. It's always freaking cold. It's like 10 degrees colder than the whole house. It's ridiculous. Anyway, so I can tell we're getting a freaking blizzard today. That's not cool. We're supposed to get to 70 centimeters of snow. That's a lot of snow. But, like, everything's closed today. Like, the buses are closed. My dad's work just closed. Everything is closed. The airport's probably closed. What sucks because we have our pastor and his wife trying to get to Florida today. So I think they're supposed to get out at 6. I don't think they're getting out. I'm gonna have to check their flights and stuff. But hope that they got out and enjoyed their vacation and they're not here. Wow, it's bad. Anyways, so I'm gonna lie down for a bit more, warm up a bit, and we'll be back a little bit later. There's actually freaking morning doves out there. Are you kidding me? It's like 100 look. It's like 100 kilometers of wind out there. Are you freaking mad? Whoa, there they all go. Still there. Better put some birdseed out. That doesn't sound good.
Yeah, but go back. I wanted to get the next.
You can't even see a neighbor's house anymore. This is crazy. Can't see anything up there. Let's go out here and see. Can't even see the neighbor's house anymore. Have you seen it out there?
I'm not looking, I've decided.
I gotta show the snow out here soon.
I have to stand up and look outside. I can't see anything. Oh man, you can't see the house.
Nope.
Oh my gosh, the big rock in the front is like totally buried.
Is it?
Almost, yeah. Holy cow.
Stupid snow.
I thought you wanted a snowstorm.
No, I'm talking about the window.
Oh.
So I can see while I'm filming.
Why don't you go outside?
I'm very tempted.
Take your GoPro and go outside.
I got a ski mask.
Yeah, you should.
I might get lost. Poor
well,
little birdie.
It's not like we're on a prairie. You'll walk into a tree eventually.
Poor little birdies. This is absolutely madness. I'm gonna get dressed and I think head out. Alright, it's 12:29. I thought I'd give you a storm update. Yeah, it's not pretty out there. Look at my neighbor's car. You can barely see our house. And the rock is gone. That big rock out of the front yard's gone. Yeah, it's not good. Once the wind dies down, I'll go out again. It's bad out there right now. It's like really bad. Sister's lost power, which is weird because it's just down the road, and we haven't lost anything yet. I survived. Snap. Sorry. My screen thing broke. Have to fix that. I wonder how windy it is if I open it. There is storm surge in the city from the ocean. It's coming up on the streets and stuff. And pretty much the city is closed up. I'm surprised they don't call a state of emergency soon because it's bad. It's white one all over again. I'll have to explain it at some point. Yeah, it's bad. Not good. A lot to go on around the property after the storm. See what kind of damage we got in the forest and stuff. And I really want to go see the waves today, but you can't get out of the driveway, it's so deep. It was up to my knees almost when I was outside at some places. It's probably more now because it's been a few hours. And so we're supposed to get 70 centimeters of snow. And fair to say we're supposed to get 25 centimeters of snow. So we're kind of in desperate mode now. Everything's closed. My dad's home, thank goodness. Except for some stupid employees that are still working. I mean, not employees, sorry. At my dad's work. Companies, sorry. Didn't mean that. So yeah, there's a storm update for you guys. There's really nothing to see. Snow. Still covering windows. That's it. That's freaking it. Anyways, so yeah. Look, the rock is gone. Holy freaking crap. I will burn that birdhouse. Anyway, so Devin wants to go out, so I'm gonna go out so make sure he's okay and stuff. So we're gonna attempt to walk to the top of the driveway, and now I'm not gonna bring any camera with me. I'm just gonna focus on the weather, where we are, where he is, so we don't make lost or anything. Okay, you don't know when it could go bad again, so it's a bit calm, but it's not supposed to end until tomorrow afternoon. So, gonna be a lot of shoveling. I will do an aftermath video for you guys, and I'll just add to this one. So, we'll just keep going on to this video until tomorrow and stuff. So, wish us luck here. We're about to head out. Alright, this is for you guys. Only for you guys. I got you. Here we go. Holy crap. deck here. Don't really have any, it's okay.
Hello guys, so our wonderful nice neighbor's outside and he's stuck in our driveway. He's plowing us out, but he's stuck. So, oh gosh, there's Mike. I don't know how well you'll be able to see this. I'm trying to find a clear spot here in the window. As you can see, it's all snowy. Ah, dang, he's really stuck. He just about got himself out. Hang on, I'm climbing up on the sofa here. Oh, there. Oh, that's my knee. Okay, there we go. It's a bit better. I'm glad the paper guy didn't try our driveway. Well, I hope he's not going to try our driveway today. Robin doesn't have power. She won't have power till at least 8 o'clock tonight. We've had our power flickering, but we still have it. And he is but stuck. His wife goes with him. Oh. Usually to watch where he's going and stuff. He's going to be saying some bad words. There's Mike down there. That's just the snow on our deck. That's under the deck.
No. Oh,
So there's
Yeah,
the truck.
You see how deep it is out there where you already plowed?
Yeah. Oh my gosh, yeah. Wow.
Here, I'll go and clean out your window, okay?
Oh, he's so stuck.
Okay, look at it.
Okay, so he has just smushed the stuff off my window and now I can't focus on him. What the heck was that? Oh my goodness, don't tell me somebody's at our front door. Okay, hang on. Oh. I can't see. I don't know. Let's see. No, I thought I heard somebody banging on our door. Okay, let's watch from up here again. All right, let's see if he can get out now. They've all been digging him out. We got sand underneath and nothing's happening. Oh. Oh. We might own a truck. We might own a truck. Oh, he'd already had it out once. Oh. He's stuck fast. Oh, oh, oh. Almost went there. Oh. By the time they get out of here, the driveway's going to be filled with snow again. Ooh, oh, he's almost gone. There's ice under here from the storm the other day. That's part of the problem. Okay, they're still working away. I did see an idea on Pinterest, of all places, of putting your car mats underneath your tires to get you out of something like this, and I did tell him that, so we'll see. We'll see what happens here. Holy massive amounts of snow. Oh my gosh, Mike's back's gonna be killing him tonight. That's our canary. In case you're wondering what the tweeting is, that's our canary who has not been singing since winter started. So maybe that means, spring's coming? Spring is coming. Sorry, I'm just kind of focusing on the stuff here. Okay, so while they're working with that, I don't know if you remember in our front yard, see that apple tree that is right there? See him? Ah, there we go. Okay, there's the apple tree. And, I can't do that. And there's a little shrubby thing down in here somewhere, right there. If I can't see through this screen and the thing very well. There is a giant boulder that is huge, and it is now buried in snow. And there's my greenhouse. A couple of weeks ago, the door blew off of it, so now there's snow inside and outside, but it's still standing, so that's pretty darn awesome. I don't know what my fort by the river's doing, on the other hand. But anyway, excuse my piles. This is Jeremy's room. Excuse my piles and messes. But I've been doing some crafting today, so I've got stuff everywhere. Let's see if they've moved. I haven't heard anything. Hello, puppy. Hello. Say hi. Hello. No, they're still digging out. Jeremy got those goggles when he went skiing, and I must say they've come in really handy since he's been home. Okay, when I hear the roar of the engine fire up, Devin's working on a model. I will, I'll come back and do that again. I'm working on a project on this old ironing board that I have, and I will show it to you. Well, you can sort of see the design. I'm not going to show you what I'm painting, but hopefully get it done this week. Yes, they did it! They did it! Woohoo! And guess who won? I did, because they put the mats down. Woohoo! Yay, Pinterest! Woo! Yay, me!
You be careful, that is heavy snow, okay?
Yeah, we're gonna make sure like our heads is
Don't put your heads in. Swoosh. Alright, the storm's not done yet, but it's getting dark, so I'm gonna end this day. I'm not ending this video yet. How much do I got here? Yeah, it's a lot. I'm gonna do, when the storm's actually finished, we'll go outside with this camera, do a aftermath kind of stuff, see what's broken in the forest, and all that jazz. The storm's not over yet. We have to plow the snow again. It's supposed to end tonight, around midnight, or tomorrow morning. So, yeah, we still got some time to go. Anyway, so we'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Alright, good morning, tubes. It is officially the next day. It is Tuesday, Valentine's Day. So first, happy Valentine's Day to everybody. This will be posted tomorrow, though, so it won't make much sense, but, yeah, so the storm has passed. So it's still a bit windy out there, but not bad as yesterday. But, we're gonna take you out and show you how much snow we got here, and our giant new snowbank at the back, and this is the top of the driveway. See how it is up there, and we'll walk around the trail, check out my mom's fort. And we got some more shoveling to do. My neighbor had to go to work today, so we got some shoveling to do. And yeah, so I'm just gonna grab my GoPro in case we need it, and then grab my phone and start taking pictures of stuff for my Facebook. Because some friends in Ontario are going crazy over this. And yeah. Anyway, so just laughing at a post I made. I said on Facebook, I said happy Valentine's Day to all of us single people. Hey, we're saving money. There goes my mom. Yeah, so I'm gonna go get my stuff on here, and we'll head out. Hopefully it's not too windy. If it's windy, I'll put some music on it. Oh, yeah, we'll see. Okay, here we go. Not that bad. Alright, you ready to see this? Holy freaking crap. This was not here yesterday morning. I'll tell you that right now. Now there's a size difference to the van. It has a 1998 Dodge, Caravan, whatever. So, let's see if we can get a different angle from here. Yeah, that wasn't there yesterday morning. So you can tell it snowed more last night. So we gotta shovel this because it's just light. You pretty much gotta redo this whole driveway. It actually looks like it. I'll take it up here first, I guess. A little bit of wind. Yeah, I gotta shovel this whole deck off now. This is crazy. Sorry if I sound weird. Oh, there's a bit of wind. Okay. Just wait until it passes. It's getting dark again. Yeah, it's a bit windy actually. I'll try to speak up though. Wait for this wind to pass. There we go. We gotta redig this trail to the shed I see. Like, look at this. It's up to my knee. Oh, you guys can see there, not up to my knee. Absolutely insane what happened yesterday. Look at their picnic bench. Holy jeez. Look at it here. Our window. Uh-oh. That window broken. Second, you guys, I gotta check that. Holy crap, the furnace thing melted all the snow here. Look how deep it is! Holy crap! Holy crap, that's deep. You can adjust the ice. Okay, we're good there. Holy, look at the bikes! Look at the bikes! Holy crap, I gotta come back in through that. I brought my phone out with me to get pictures. Look at it here. Look at a freaking ski hill. Look at the trees. Wow. Hello.
Hello.
Do you see back there?
No.
Where the furnace thing comes
Is it
out?
covered?
No. It's like really deep down, a big hole. Come here.
What?
Come here. Look at this.
I
It's almost to the freaking top.
What? I know. Hang on, let me just finish this.
Jeez. Where's our freaking rock gone? That make a clear path for the oil guy. Where's our rock? Jeez. I gotta get a measuring stick. Or something. Have you been to the top yet?
Yeah, not all the way to the top, no.
I'm gonna go have a look. It's good in here. Yeah, we got a lot of shoveling to do. We got Nathan's birthday party coming up on the weekend. Haven't been close. We're supposed to have it on last Saturday, but they all got sick over there, so we couldn't have it. Oh, smokes. That'd be a good snowboard. Oh boy. You gotta shovel all this? Serious? We gotta shovel all of it. Oh boy. I can't do all this. It's hard to rock too now almost. Go see the top here. I don't know why you couldn't do it before you left. He took his plow too, so I don't know why he didn't plow when he was going up. Oh well. People are out, that's good. Wish I had a snowboard or tractor to help me out. All I have is a crappy shovel. Alright, so it's probably gonna be really windy up here, so I apologize. That kid just crashed in the car sledding. The road looks kind of plowed. There's our fire chief. Yeah. Got all the cars on the street down there. Wow. Yeah, we're like the only people who don't have ATV or snow plows on the street. Or a snow blower. Man, I would do anything to have that case right now. Have anything, really. Too bad my uncle doesn't live here. Oh, the birds are back out. That's good. Yeah, this is crazy. I'll work on our part first. And maybe after lunch, I'll take a rest. And I'll try to tackle this. I don't know if I can do it or not. It's like really heavy stuff. And a lot of it. A lot of it. But I'll focus on our stuff first. Get it all cleaned up. No idea where we're gonna park all these people for the party now. But, oh yeah, and with this one pass. On his first day, we're supposed to get 25 more centimeters of snow, so whatever melts from here we'll just be back the next day. Anyway, so I'm gonna put you guys back in the house. I'll keep my GoPro on me in case I need it. We're not gonna tackle the trail yet. It's gonna be impossible, especially with the camera. Anyway, so won't end the video yet. I'll end it when, like, at the end of the day. I'll edit it up, post it tomorrow, and yeah, we got a lot of work to do here, so yeah, we'll see you guys later tonight, maybe. Look at this freaking mess.
Oh, excuse me.
We have to dig it all out.
Excuse me, so I throw some of the scratch in for them.
And the lock is not lining up anymore.
Oh, for Pete's sakes. Here you go, chicks.
It's crazy.